Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to get coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and find section coins that looks basically like coin icon. So AliExpress rewards you with coins for visiting this coins page every single day, so you have to daily check in. The number of coins that you can receive will increase for each day that you visit this page to a maximum of 70 coins per one day. So today I have already checked in to my coins page and I received my 20 coins. Tomorrow I will get 30, and as you can see, each day the number of coins will even increase. So finally, when you have checked in, you should look for option earn more coins, that is here. So press it and this will show you like mission board with a list of simple tasks that you can complete if you want to get some earn bonus coins. So here you can see daily check-in, explore sponsored items, search for deals you like, and some other options. So you can complete these tasks. Also, there are little mini games right here. There are 3 of them, which can also give you extra coins if you keep up with them. Also, if you like shopping, coins will pop up as a reward after some purchases. So it's like, getting cashback, but in the form of coins. And of course, do not forget to use your coins before they will expire. Usually coins expire 6 months after collection. And finally, when you want to use your coins, you should look out for items that say extra % off with coins. So for example, if I open, let it be this one, I scroll down and here should be the line extra, in this case 2% off with coins. If I go to some another item, here's no information at all about coins. So probably this item doesn't support this discount with coins. For example, this one, here is no information as well about coins. So you should look out for these items that support coins discounts. So your coins can be used at the checkout page. When you will place your order, they will be automatically deducted. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.